Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This is a video tutorial for the business content management area, and we're dealing with the social media tab. The site allows the business owner to link to numerous social media links, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, blog, WhatsApp, TikTok, Snapchat, and Facebook Messenger. Safe and Trusted also provides software to users so that they can do their social media posts more easily. The software is AI assisted and allows unlimited posts to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the business Google page. It is currently priced at $29 per month, and there may need to be a small setup fee for the user if they're not familiar for social media posting. Thank you for listening to this video.